Bro, I want to go camping, eh?
Nav's broken, man.
Your nav's always fucking broken.
Well, I'm sorry, alright?
I'll tell you what. I'm going to go to Big W. I'm going to get you a bloody tent.
Alright.
And you're going to take the push bike.
Alright.
How's that sound?
Anything to go camping.
Well, you're fucking cooking. I'm going.
Alright.
I'll be back in a sec.
Might have a quick hydration session while I'm waiting for Cody. Oh! A new bed. Woohoo! This is all I need, boys.
So, I've got bed, helmet, because our producers say we're too stupid. I've got you a tent, because I know you're scared of dingoes. I've got me a shelter and a chair to watch out for dingoes for you.
Where's all that cold beer going? You didn't think about that, did you?
Let's strap this shit to the bikes and hit the track.
Righto! Safety first.
This is as far as it opens.
I think you bought kids helmets, man. So this is the bike from last episode. Kind of lost me bamboo basket. It's on the highway somewhere, riding home the other weekend. My frame, it fell off on the way on the highway. Everything's just basically fallen off on it. So this is all I got now. It's bare bones. But it'll do for the camping trip.
My bike has still got all the crap on it because I didn't friggin' goon ride it up the highway. Basically, mine's pretty simple. I've got my lounge chair, my tent, my bed, my basket. Basically simple install, no bolts needed. This is a last minute camping trip. So all we're gonna do is duct tape my tent to the handlebars. You gotta have the torches. There we go. Get the torches. I got my LED spotlights on my bike. Got my tent, got my camp chair. Pretty simple setup, but we go here the cape and this shit.
Why'd you have to buy me such a big tent, bro? Fuck the tent.
Hold it there. Hold it on your back.
Tailbacking! Right. Beautiful! Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just duct tape that to you.
Two. Woo!
That's camping.
That's camping, bro.
Ready to hit the tracks, bud?
Yeah, bloody oath, mate. I'm keen. Onward!
So we just pulled up along the track here, and well, it appears this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle backpack is not equipped for the Australian off-road. So I'll give this a go, Spud. See how you go, mate.
Keen or what? Because that's all to get this chair off, man. Let's keep going. My neck's hurting, my chain's broken. Just want to set up for camp, drink beer. Cody's had a prank, everything's fallen out of his gaming basket. Campsite's only just up here where we're going to set up. It's just down here, guys, at the bottom of the hill. This is where we rolled the ambulance. So I'll go down there into the creek, set up, have a good time. It's getting a bit late too. How'd you go, bro?
Ah, nearly there, eh, Spud? Come on, man.
Righto.
Oh,
You keen to keep going?
yeah, bud.
We'll go back to where we rolled the ambulance, eh?
You know I'm doing this in sacrifice because your nav's broken. The Jeep is so much more comfortable than this.
Oh, fuck the Jeep.
Come on, let's hit the track.
I'm gonna run, cunt.
Yeah, so do I. Oh, here it is, Spud. The old trip where we sent the ambulance a little too hard.
I think I'm gonna cartwheel down that hard.
Oh, Spud, that's the only way to camp, so you're gonna have to hit it.
Right.
Go, mate, go.
Bit of spinach, brass.
You good?
Good to go again.
Cool. Here's the creek. This is the hard part. We're gonna get across to the other side. So it's either push your bike or ride it.
Well, you ride. I want to see how far you get. You first this time.
All right, ready? Let me get a run up.
I think it's the bigger wheels. Looks like I'm pushing.
Alrighty, so here we are. We're at a camp. It's a bit dark now. We're gonna go through, we're gonna set up our campsite, and then it's time for a Chef Spud special.
Jesus, how much tape did you put on me?
Enough.
Ta-da! One tent, not ready to go yet.
You throw it and it comes to life.
Never used a pop-up tent. That's what I got a camper trailer for. Apparently you just throw this thing.
How come you get a cool tent?
Mine's right here.
Why do I have poles?
Inside, we have not much. Oh yeah, pretty spacious. Oh, just need a pillow, I reckon. Fuck the bed. Good night, feed yourselves, cunts. Would you like a hand, bro, or you right?
I'm fine.
Alright. I might have just a sip of water, man, while you build that, eh?
Fuck up.
Let me know when you're ready.
Yep.
Oh, thank you, producers, for buying me just a deadly ass tent, man.
This is why I bought a fucking camp trailer.
Fuck. Don't need instructions, bro. You gonna finish yours or what?
Yes. Shitty tent doing in my way.
Hurry up so I can cook dinner. I read it. Fucking 3 fucking ropes. Fucking.
What have you did then? Ah, Spud.
Well, how do these clip in?
Yeah, there's a little hole.
Oh, look.
It worked. Yeah, look, now we just need to clicky these things. So we got these blow up beds, but Spud's just brought to my attention that we don't have anything to blow them up with. So, we're gonna do an old hillbilly trick. Spud, start up your mang mang.
Oh, bro. On our big adventure, I've run out of fuel.
I got an idea.
Yeah, bro, she's a bit limp dick, but that's your bed, bro.
Better than nothing anyway.
Time for my bed. Alright, I'm going to test out the old bed.
Oh, fucking Jesus.
That's not quite bad, actually. I'm not touching the ground, but
Not the worst place I've ever slept. But I'm fucking a bit hungry, but Spud.
what do you reckon, bro? I'll cook up a feed, eh? Get the snags going, eh?
I can smell petrol very bad. My bike is leaking petrol. Again.
Alright guys, welcome back to another Chef's Bud. We finally set camp up. I'm gonna whip up some food for me and Cody and the camera crew. Nothing special tonight, boys, just gonna whip up some sausages. That'll do us. We're cooking on an eBay Bunsen burner type thing. Oh, cheers, bro.
You're welcome.
Ow! Oh, cooking up some thin sausages, gluten free.
Gluten free?
Yeah, man. Look, $10, bro. That'll do me, bud. Remember to stay hydrated when you're always cooking, fellas.
Alright, so if you're wondering where we got these cups from,
Oh, fuck! On oil, bro. Are you right?
Yeah.
Got that fucking bird.
back to what I was saying. If you're wondering where we got our cups from, it's pretty self-explanatory. So, Ryland's Barbecue Obsession over on Charters Towers Road in Townsville. I have the cooler, this thing, and the esky, and I'll tell you what, they are absolutely amazing. If you haven't tried one, head over to Ryland's and give them a go.
No spatula, so I'm using the old fucking fingers tonight.
I don't want to eat that anymore.
I hope this tent doesn't look a bit too hot.
It's a little bit hot, but should be fine.
Should be right.
You're right.
Alright guys, not that high powered like the camper trailer, so I think we're going to have to go and have a hydration session. What do you think, Cody?
Yeah, ring's good.
Yeah, what do you reckon, Cody? We'll have a hydration session while I cook this up. You'll be back.
Marvel. Alright guys, the boys from Bosler Lighting have sent us a couple of lights to throw in the Jeep. Now what I was running before was these LED lights off eBay. They may look good, but they're absolutely garbage. So these are absolutely garbage. But these here is what Bosler sent us. Now these just fit in any H4 headlight just like that. But these are all weather. You can dunk them underwater like H4 bulbs. I know these, the semi-sealed ones. As soon as you do a creek crossing, they fill up full of water and then your bulb blows. But these can actually run underwater. So I'm going to chuck them in the Jeep. Best thing about these, they're all plug and play. They come with a ballast. Plug that in, screw it on, and that plugs into your normal headlight, and then you're good to go. Easy as dropping this in. Bit of a tight squeeze, and if you're wondering where I got these lights from, I shot to the farm and stole them off our 60 series from the Denny Ute episode. And something you can see while I'm fiddling with it right now is it's actually got a fan in the back, and that cools the light. You know how hot lights get? You got this little fan spinning 1,000 miles an hour right into a heat sink. You see the little fins, and that's cooling down the light as it's projecting. And that just plugs straight in to your car fitting. Push that behind so it doesn't hit our fan, and then it's that easy. So I'll go to a bit of a montage right now while I put the other one in and get it all together, and then we'll show you what these things can do. Alrighty, just from that, we don't have to wire up any other switches. Everything is just operated from your factory headlight switch. You just turn it on, and then off and on again, and then you can change your settings that way. As you can see, it switches from white to yellow. So your pure white will just be like driving at night time. Your white and your yellow, that is more for like when it's heavily raining, so you can see through all the rain. And then your pure yellow will be for, obviously we don't have snow in Queensland, but it's for when it's snowing really hard, and the yellow light will penetrate through the snow and you'll be able to see. Also, these are just the H4 versions, but H4 is pretty standard, and plus they come in tons of different mounting sites. Anyway, the link will be in the description, and there will be a special promo code for you Sick Puppy boys. Get rid of your eBay shitter lights. Anyway, that has been a Sick Puppy special presentation, and back to the program. Oh, don't forget coolers. Buy our coolers. Hydration session.
Alright, we finished our sausages. What do you reckon, Codes?
They're cooked.
Cooked? So you give it a 1 out of 10, bro?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I'm starving.
Ah!
Fucking hot oil, not good.
I can't recommend this setup. Fucking oil burns all up your legs. Cheers, bro.
Got our bread. We got our bread.
We got our bread. Classic camping meal. Sausages on bread. Beautiful. Can't go any better than that.
Still not a bad feed considering we rode here on bicycles.
Nah, mate, it's pretty simple. It's all you need.
You need to throw a few more on there, because I reckon I can go a few more.
Are you that hungry, bro?
I'm starving after today.
Right. Quite hungry as myself. Be honest, man, I don't think this setup's that bad.
She's pretty good other than this chair, I tell you. Not doing wonders with my back, I tell you. I'm getting a bit old.
Spud! Oh, shit!
Spud! Dude, look out! Look out, mate!
Well, looks like I don't need a gas cooker anymore, bro.
That's it for this episode, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, and also on the video, hit the like button. Patreon, if you haven't yet jumped on the Patreon, you need to do it. I have a new show. It's called The Doghouse. Basically, full on behind the scenes. That's his shit that I do when not on camera, shit that Spud does when he's not on camera, and before and after the episodes. So jump on there for as little as $1 a month. You get all the behind the scenes. If you want free merch, you got to ramp it up.
Headlock merch, guys. We've got windscreen stickers. We've got hydration sessions, coolers, hydration search stickers. We have the Sick Puppy coolers. Jump in, guys. Don't be late or you miss out. Cheers, guys. Subscribe, guys, and we will see you next week on another adventure. Cheers.